Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need iPadOS 13 Plus and compatible apps. Once confirmed, open the app you want as your main view. Now, reveal the dock by swiping up gently from the bottom or using the home gesture so you can pick a second app. Tap and hold the secondary app icon in the dock until it lifts slightly. This starts the drag. Make sure the app is draggable. Some full-screen video players or games won't allow split screen. Drag the second app toward either the left or right edge until you see a narrow black divider appear between the windows. This indicates split view. Release the app to snap it into place beside your primary app. Once done, tap inside each app to interact. The system treats them like separate spaces. You can drag the center handle to resize, make one 70% and the other 30% if needed, and iPadOS will remember those proportions. To finish, use the center handle to fine-tune widths or drag it fully to one side to close split view and return to a single app. If you prefer slide over, drag the secondary app slightly inward and drop it above the main screen so it floats. Swipe it off to hide. If the split doesn't work, make sure both apps support multitasking, force quit and reopen them, or restart the iPad. These steps typically resolve temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.